In this lesson, we will understand the difference between the traditional API approach and MCP. Let us start. To understand the difference between the traditional API model and MCP, let us look at the following diagram. The diagram illustrates how the MCP server redefines the interactional model compared to the traditional APIs. It emphasizes MCP's role in providing standardization and abstraction, enabling a more unified and scalable way for agents and models to communicate, something the traditional approach struggles to achieve. As in the previous diagram, under traditional approach, each interaction demands a direct, often custom-built API connection. This leads to multiple isolated integrations, increasing complexity and maintenance overhead. While under MCP approach, all models connect through a unified MCP layer. The MCP servers manage the underlying communication, enabling seamless interoperability and a more coherent system architecture. This representation effectively captures how MCP servers streamline multi-model and multi-vendor AI orchestration, reducing fragmentation and fostering smoother collaboration across diverse systems. Let us understand the traditional API model with respect to the MCP server. So under traditional API, each AI model must be integrated separately with its own API. Developers are forced to write distinct code and manage varying request or response formats for every model. This fragmented setup makes scaling and long-term maintenance inefficient. Now let us see the MCP server. All models are accessible through a single standardized MCP protocol. The MCP server acts as a universal abstraction layer, providing one unified interface for requests across vendors. Integrations becomes simpler, interoperability is seamless, and switching or combining models within applications is effortless. So in this lesson we saw the difference between the traditional API approach and MCP.